Yeah, you're watching the Trailer Park Mechanic YouTube channel. So if you ever need to learn what not to do, this is probably the page for you. This is exactly why you do not trust battery chargers. I set that timer yesterday to 60 minutes. It never cut off. Never cut off. And I had it at 4 amps, 12 volts overnight. So it should have just trickle charged. But oh no. And I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but it's swelled out. Smoking. No good. Now imagine if you was going on some kind of vacation and it was going to take you, or you was going to be gone like a few hours, few days, even weeks, and then you would have come back home to a burnt down house, worst case scenario, or smoked with acid, you know, whatever. That would be highly unfortunate, especially for a guy like me who has like the crappiest luck ever. That's a Schumacher, whatever, brand battery charger, which granted, that thing is years old, so it has every excuse in the world to mess up. But that's a pretty good brand name charger going on there, but it has been through the freaking ringer here in the shop between idiots and then people not even caring, you know. So it's been beat to hell, let's just put it like that. So even if it's brand new, watch out. Almost forgot, before y'all head off, I've got another video in the works. I bought a 1974 Plymouth Duster and pulled it out of the weeds out of a field in Bishop, Texas. It's been sitting since 1998. I've been working all the flaws out of it, doing swaps, testing tunes, stuff like that. So whenever y'all get a chance, whenever I upload it, be sure y'all check that video out. You are not gonna wanna miss this one, I promise you. I'll definitely send updates throughout Facebook and Instagram. I'm not on Threads. I don't really understand that platform, so don't even bother me about that. But you'll definitely receive updates on when it's going to be posted on Facebook and Instagram, the Trailer Park Mechanic.